Welcome to a 15-minute plank workout focusing on sculpting a smaller waist and achieving flat abs. Engage your core muscles and hold a plank position for the duration of this workout. Feel the burn in your abdominal muscles as you maintain proper form throughout the exercises. Focus on your breathing and keep a steady pace to maximize the effectiveness of each movement. Challenge yourself to push through any discomfort and stay committed to the workout routine. Visualize your goals of a smaller waist and flat abs to stay motivated and dedicated to your fitness journey. Remember to listen to your body and take breaks as needed to prevent injury and maintain safety. As you complete this workout, feel proud of the effort you've put in towards achieving your fitness goals. Stay consistent with your exercise routine and healthy habits to see long-lasting results over time. Thank you for joining this plank workout session. Keep up the great work towards a stronger core and toned midsection.